Ultrasonic fuel sensor tutorial, step by step. Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and set up the iTracksafe ultrasonic fuel sensor. We will use a water bottle to simulate a fuel tank. In real applications, your tank will contain gasoline or diesel. 1. Connect the ultrasonic sensor. First, join the two round connectors and tighten them properly. Place the sensor on the outside wall of the bottle, with the sensor face pointing upward. For testing, apply coupling gel. For real installation, apply grease for better acoustic performance. Here I am using a bottle filled about 3/4 with water. 2. Power on the GPS tracker at a platform. Insert the SIM card to GPS tracker. Connect the fuel sensor plug directly to the iTracksafe GPS tracker's power plug. Connect power to the GPS tracker. Add the device to the iTracksafe platform. Select device model, JH119. After connection, the platform will display a raw ADC value. In this demo, the value is 4,643. Every vehicle may have a different value. 3. Measure liquid height. Use a tape measure to check the liquid height. In my bottle, the water height is about 15 centimeters. In a real tank, measure the fuel height when the tank is full. 4. Check mounting position. To check if the sensor is in the correct position, use the formula raw ADC value divided by 327.6 liquid height in centimeters. In this example, 4,643 divided by 327.6 14.17 centimeters. Water is heavier than diesel and gasoline. To correct for water testing, multiply by 1.1. 14.17 times 1.1 15.3. This is very close to the measured height of 15 centimeters. This means the mounting position is correct. Important. If you use gasoline or diesel, you do not need to multiply by 1.1. This adjustment is only for water testing. 5. Platform calibration. 5. Platform calibration. Full tank. Mark AD, enter the raw ADC value, for example 4,643. Volume, enter the full tank capacity, for example 50 liters. Click Add Mark. Empty tank. Minimum reference equals 1 centimeter height, which is 327.6 ADC. If the tank height is 15 centimeters and capacity 50 liters, 1 centimeter equals 50 divided by 15, which is approximately 3.3 liters. Enter. Mark AD, 327.6. Volume, 3.3 liters. Click Add Mark. 7. Finished. Once both full and empty marks are set, the iTracksafe platform will automatically calculate fuel level and fuel consumption. No further manual adjustments are needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can now install and calibrate your iTracksafe ultrasonic fuel sensor with confidence.